the 2007 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.